Hey, healthcare heroes! Ready to turn frustrating vein location challenges into first stick success? Stop the guessing game right now.
I'm going to show you the secret to perfect venipuncture, the occlusion belt for your HG Wellness HGVF 637 vein finder. It all starts with our simple, streamlined occlusion belt. Look how easily it attaches to your HGVF 637. This is step 1. Insert the belt into the left side of the unit, and step 2, insert the end of the belt as needed to fit the unit to the arm. It's designed for rapid, one-handed setup, so you can prep your patients faster. Now, apply it directly above the target area, and for step 3, pull the belt as needed to fit the unit to the arm. The belt ensures optimal venous distension, giving you clear vein visibility you need. Then, for step 4, turn on the sliding switch and adjust the intensity if you need. See how clear the vein looks? With this clarity, you can confidently follow step 5 and insert the needle as you may. No more guesswork, just real-time clarity. Simplify your routine and boost patient comfort with HG Wellness.